How to log in Ticketmaster account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in or sign in into Ticketmaster account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a web browser on your device. Now search for www.ticketmaster.com with the help of the web address bar. Now, from the schedule section, tap on the first link, which is the official link of Ticketmaster. Now you will land on the official interface of Ticketmaster, where you need to wait until all the options gets loaded. With this, tap on the person-like icon at top right corner of your screen. Now you have directly reached on the sign-in section of Ticketmaster. If you don't have an account on Ticketmaster, tap sign up and create one. Now enter all your credentials like your email and password and then tap on sign in button. And with this, you will successfully sign in or log in into Ticketmaster account. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.